morning. It's hot and sticky again this morning, but we're not going to complain about it. Nobody's sleeping very well, but it's fine. I actually slept in a silk, what would we call it, like a nightshirt last night. And I've been putting it aside till it gets cooler because I thought it'd be quite warm. Not warm at all. It was actually quite cool. I think it was better at regulating because I've had like satin pyjamas before and they get quite kind of hot and sticky when it's not winter. I have a whole range of satin pyjamas because I love them, but I can't wear them in the summertime. But this was a different ball game. This was a different ball game. I'm going to talk about that. I've got I was sent some stuff from a brand called Lily Silk and some pillowcases and all of that jazz. But the nightshirt is, I actually thought I was just going to wear it as like bougie loungewear. But very, very nice. And Lee said I look like, because it's white silk, he said I look like I need to be in like an 80s music video, and that's fine with me. So I was filming a foundation review yesterday, and then we went out, did some stuff, came back. It got quite dark as I was editing, and I was just tired, and I thought, I want to get a bath. And I got in the bath, and I was taking my makeup off, and I was like, didn't film the end of that video, did you? So I have on the foundation again today, which honestly is no hardship, I'm going to tell you. Spoiler alert, it is the number 7 Essentially Natural. This is really, really nice. We'll see if I feel the same way again today, but I would say in a nutshell, it is a glowier, kind of more hydrating feeling, whether or not that's true or not. Kind of, it feels like I'm putting on more of moisturiser than foundation. Stay Perfect, this is obviously from the same brand. It just feels like a nicer Stay Perfect with a little bit more glow, a little bit more hydration, probably slightly less longevity because of that, because it's not quite as matte and it's not as thin. But I really, really like it. I've struggled with foundations recently. The ones that I've been testing that I thought were going to be great are just, I also picked up one from Home Bargains yesterday, one of the, is it called Olivia Hale, their beauty range, their BB creams. The packaging is really, really nice. I'm sure the product itself might not live up to the packaging, but the packaging is really, really nice. So I thought I would give that a go at some point this month. This month's getting away from me. It's the 10th. Oh, it's the 10th. Do you know what that means? Casey Musgrave's album is completely available. That's what I'll be listening to while I work today. Finished work, and I tend to get my maddest ideas on a Friday. So I've already been to B&Q. It was a mad dash to get some wood. And I'm going to turn this into kind of like a coat shoe station situation. Wish me luck. Right, we've got legs, and I'm going to take this off the wall. Might be able to incorporate this old door that I bought for the shed, and it just never kind of worked. I've put this on the wall. Okay, I just discovered that I've been filming on miniature mode, which is why it wasn't focusing properly. So here's where I'm at. I'm currently gluing an extra strip onto this. That is going to fit around this part here. Not worrying about that little corner. I cut some tongue and groove that I already had just to kind of fill in the end piece. While I'm waiting for the glue on this thing to dry, I think I'm going to paint this wall. I'm just repainting it with the white that we've always used, but just kind of freshen it up a little bit and obviously paint the piece of wood that's just gone on. Actually, maybe I'll drill the holes first for the hooks that I'm going to put in. That would be smart. Okay, so this is the final thing. I mean, I say final. Can you see all of these tomorrow, once this paint is dry on here, all of these will be up there, and we won't knock the coats off every single time we walk past. The only issue is I had a leftover wood hinge, and it is not really strong enough for the door, so that is not ideal, but I'm going to replace that and it's all going to be good. Otherwise, really, really happy with it. Used some leftover tongue and groove. I just think it looks really, really smart. And then the hooks, which I think I bought 5 of these, you know, and I don't know if I left it in the basket or if it's in my car, but I hung 4 that I could find. And I'm 99.9% sure that they are straight, but the lights and the shadows are not going to allow you to know that. Let me see if I can, let's see if we can see anything. Oh, there we go. It looks straighter, right? I also really, really like this. Not sure, because I know this is how people, they don't necessarily use this kind of wood. I think they use like MDF, but I know this is how people add paneling. And it's so easy. I mean, that was just one piece of wood, obviously, but if you have it all cut to size, or better still, if you've got like your own little circle saw thing, which is on my dream wish list of DIY tools. I think it'd be really, really easy to do DIY paneling. But yeah, really happy with it. Thought I would share the final result. No, I didn't really share the progress, but I just get on one and then I don't really want a video as I'm going. I just want to do it. Plus, you know, I'm singing along to music, etc. And now pizza has arrived, so I'm gonna go and get my computer, have some pizza, and then, unfortunately, my mad DIY project has delayed our Friday night cleaning, so then cleaning, then relax. Lee's hoovering, which you might be able to hear. I'm about to jump in the bath, so I thought I would say goodbye for today's vlog. I am exhausted, really, really ready for the weekend this week. Actually a really good work day, really good work week. Not that anybody cares, not that anybody asks, but I'm sharing. Everything, my particular job at because we all have like different responsibilities for like different parts of, it's kind of like different customers. And mine is so erratic, it's just so, you cannot manage your workload. Week to week, sometimes I'll have like a really quiet Wednesday and a manic Friday. Sometimes I'll have a manic Wednesday and then Friday's weirdly quiet. You just can't guess. And this week, everything's been really, really steady. And I've just like had a steady flow of work and no kind of chasing things, no real mad rushes for anything. Everything just came to end at the exact right time for me to finish. It was really weird. So I'm just feeling extra appreciative for everything today because everything was just a little bit easier than it has been. And now I'm gonna have a bath. I'm gonna put on my silky pajamas again, and I'm gonna have a Southern Comfort and Coke because it's been a minute.